Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And viewers and subscribers, I have two pictures that I'm going to show you right about now. And these two pictures, they are out on social media. And what I saw in these two pictures, viewers and subscribers, I kind of find it hard to accept. But however, these pictures is out on social media, and it's getting somewhat of a buzz. Persons are talking about it. And viewers and subscribers, not that I'm saying that what has been seen in these two pictures are a lie. I'm not saying that it's a lie or a fake thing, but however, I'm not saying that it is true or real at the same time. You see what I say? Because some of the times, persons out there on social media will do some things or make up some things just for entertainment purposes or views or whatsoever purpose. You get me? But anyways, let me show you what I'm talking about right now. The first thing that I'm going to present to you is a picture that shows off some rice wrapped in a parcel and has a price tag on it. And when I see it, I say to myself, but wait, that look like the part of the rice where whenever you cook the rice in the pot and the heat of the fire, catch that part at the bottom of the pot the most. It look like that is the part of the rice will get burnt the most. You see what I say? That's what I'm saying to myself now. I'm just guessing now. But viewers and subscribers, I start thinking again and I say to myself, then I saw things really gone bad. I saw things hard. You see me? Alright. So when we think we see it all now, viewers and subscribers, social media again, and when we take a look, I saw some bones wrapped into a parcel with price tag on it again. And these bones were in the parcel look like pieces of chickens that had been cooked, whether it be fried or whatsoever. And it would seem as if the meat had been removed from off of the bones. Either it had been eaten off or deboned. You see what I'm saying to you? I agree, see, as a Jamaican, you see? I will buy my chicken or my chicken back and I will cook that down with some curry, put some seasoning and pepper in the pot. You see me? And when that prepared, we will eat that with some dumpling or yam or banana or just some rice. You see me? Some of the times, viewers and subscribers, when I eat my food and the way the food sweet or the way the food nice, we will put pressure upon one of the bones to fill all the bone bust. Boom! You see me I say? But that no means to say me I go take my money and buy a sauce of bone for eat. No sir, I will not take my money and buy sauce of bone for eat. I mean, who eat the meat off of the bone? Me don't know. You see what I said to you? Now viewers and subscribers, I start thinking and I say to myself, maybe this is just dog food. You see what I say? Because, me just look on it and I say, this probably is dog food. But then again, I say no meat not depend it for the dog them, not depend it for the dog them eat. You see me? I'm going to look on the size of the parcel, viewers and subscribers, and I say, if I buy this for my dog, them in my yard, I want to eat that for the dog, them in my yard. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, a whole heap of things I could have said about this picture when I see viewers and subscribers. Really and truly. But, I see it on social media and I'm saying to myself, wow. You see me? I say, yeah. Alright? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. And you can tell me what you think about these two pictures that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.